Welcome to Mishnah study Masechet Shevuot Perek Mishnah Dalet. Over here in this Mishnah, I'm going to discuss swearing over a case of rape or seduction. So we know if someone raped a girl, right, he needs to pay fine of 50 shekel kesef to the dad. He also needs to pay for the boshet and the pgam, which are different. We're not going to call them fines, right? But there will be payments, right, that he needs to make for embarrassing the girl and whatnot. Okay, so there's two types of payments. One is a fine, and one is a payment. Now, what's interesting, we have an interesting mahloket in this Mishnah in a case of anasta ufitita at biti, right? A person comes to someone and says, "You raped or you seduced my daughter." What does that person respond? Lo anasti, lo pititi. I didn't rape her. I didn't seduce her. Mashbiacha ani. I make you swear when I'm in. He says amen. Then he's going to be hayav. He's going to be hayav, right, to pay. Rabbi Shimon poter. Rabbi Shimon says he is patur from paying the eno meshalem kinas al pi atzmo, because the person doesn't pay a fine on his own, right? If he admits to a fine, the person is not liable for paying for that fine. Okay, so Rabbi Shimon holds that the main claim against him is the fine, right, of the 50 shekel kesef, which is something katsuv, it's something set amount that's a fine. Chamim, and therefore, we have a reason that a person doesn't pay a fine if he admits to something, right? So therefore, he's going to be patur from paying for everything. Chamim say no. The main claim that's being made in a case of rape is not the 50 shekel, it's the boshet and the pagam, right? The embarrassment, the shame, the pagam, right? Also, that was now she's defiled, right? And that's not a specific amount. Where if a person admits to that, then he would be hayav to pay. Okay, so Shamim respond to him, Amrulo, even though a person's not paying the fine on his own, still Mishalem Boshet Ufkam Piatzmo. He still needs to pay for the Boshet and the Pgam. Right? So therefore, he should have to pay in this case if a person swore falsely over a case of rape or seduction, then he would have to pay as any other deposit that he swore falsely about. Malacha is like Chamim, like Rabbi